I'm Sarah Kelly, and this is Salty Jobs. Hey guys, I'm Sarah Kelly and this is Sean Smith, and today we're at Yacht Equipment and Parts,
where they handle sales, service, and installation on a variety of marine equipment and parts, including roll stabilizers, bow and stern thrusters, AC and appliances, and much, much more.
So Sean, I heard we have a really busy day today, so we have to get right to work.
Let's do it. I'm with Jim, who is the general manager here at Yacht Equipment and Parts.
Good morning, Sean.
Good morning. Jim, tell me about the job we're going to be doing here today.
We are going to be doing roll stabilizer maintenance. It involves taking apart this fin actuator, which is inside the vessel, dropping the fin and shaft assembly out from underneath the boat, and changing the shaft seals in here. At that time, we'll be able to do an inspection of this through-hole housing, because if the shaft seals leak, sometimes there's some saltwater intrusion that could corrode or ruin the bearings and bushings. Should that go well and smoothly and we have the time, we'll be changing a broken drive leg from a big bow thruster on this vessel as well.
We're hoping that this looks good once we take it apart.
Correct.
Awesome. So what are the next steps?
Next step is load up our materials and parts, get in the van, and hit the highway.
Let's get to work.
We got our assignments for the day and began loading the equipment. After everything was in the van, it was off to the shipyard to get started.
We were on a tight schedule to get both jobs done, so it was right to work. I started by removing the bolts in the engine room that were holding the fin and the shaft. Then I headed outside to drop the fin. From there we changed the shaft seals and checked for damage. Luckily, there were no leaks in the seals, so all that was left was sanding the shaft and reattaching the fin. This left enough time for Sarah to change the bow thruster.
I'm here with Ray, a marine tech at Yacht Equipment and Parts. Ray, how did you get into this industry?
I was first introduced to me by my brother. I've been in it for a little bit over 20 years. We do different products that we get training on for the different systems on boats, and so we just keep updating as each year passes with electronics and everything else.
How do we fix a bow thruster unit?
Well, we can take it apart and repair the bad parts, or we can remove and change the whole unit, because sometimes just for time-wise, sometimes it's easier just to change the whole unit.
All right, well, let's get to work.
I had to start by removing both props so the bow thruster could be lifted in through the engine room. It was challenging to remove the heavy bow thruster in such a tight space. I was surprised after removing it how dirty it was compared to the new one. Once it was installed, the last thing I did was reattach the props. It was a successful day as we were able to get both jobs completed.
I'm here with I'm Sarah Kelly, and this is Salty Jobs. My hair is in my face. Oh my God, I can't get it out now. Oh, redo. How'd you do that so easy?
20 years experience.